Hello guys, welcome back to Forex Clubhouse. Today I'm going to show you a strategy that works on NASDAQ 100. The settings are as follows. The strategy contains 3 moving averages. The first moving average has a period of 50, shift 0 method smoothed, applied to close, style 4 pixel, color displayed. The second moving average period of 10, shift 0 method exponential, applied to close, style 4 pixel, color is black or any color of your choice. The third moving average has a period of 25, shift 0 method exponential, applied to close, style 4 pixel, and the color it is green. If you are my subscriber and you have watched my previous video, you may have noticed some similarities on the setups. Well, truth be told, they are kind of similar, but I do trade NASDAQ sometimes, so I just want to show you those who also trade NASDAQ how to use this strategy on NASDAQ. Now, whenever the black and the green moving average close while facing down, that gives you an alert of a sell signal. You get a sell confirmation signal, a clear signal whenever the green, black, and the red moving average closes all together. That is when you get your confirmation that now it is your sell. Okay, now how to know your sell exit point? The black and the green moving average will come and cross again. Okay, when they come and cross again, that is your exit point. Now let me backtest a little so that I can show you a buy, how to take a buy on NASDAQ 100. The rules are pretty simple for the buy alert. When the black and the green moving average, when they cross each other, okay, when they cross each other while facing up on upward direction, that's your alert that it's gonna buy very soon. So you get a confirmation to take a buy when this red, okay, closes the black and the green. When these three MAs close each other, that's your sell confirmation. Okay, now guys, that's all for today. I thought I must share this with you, and here you are. Test this first on demo. Do not put money that you cannot afford to lose. Any questions, any observations, any advices on the next video? What video do you want next on this channel? And I will gladly make it for you. Okay, bye bye.